Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am going to show you how to clear icon cache in Windows 11 and 10. To clear icon cache from Windows 11, open the Windows Explorer, copy and paste this provided address into the Windows Explorer address bar, press enter. Delete all files that start with icon cache in that folder. If you see any error messages when doing this, use the command line method. Right click on the desktop, click on New, select Text Documents. Now open the newly created text documents. Copy and paste the provided code into the text documents. Click on File, Save As. Now find a location where you want to save it. I am saving it to my desktop. Give a name with .bat. Under the Save As type, select All. Click on Save. Now close the text document and right click on the newly created .bat file. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Job done. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.